Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Look, you know how you have to cook for your children and they are like, oh, I don't like it. I don't like onions. I don't like garlic. I don't like this. I don't like that. So you have to alter your recipes to suit them so they'll eat. Well, I like onions and garlic and peppers in my spaghetti sauce, but the kids didn't, so I had to figure out a way to alter it. And we're going to make it today. It tastes exactly the same, but with less time, less prep, and it's quick. So what we're going to need is a little can of tomato paste, tomato sauce. We're going to need pureed tomatoes, salt and pepper. We're going to need basil, onion salt or onion powder, I'm sorry, garlic powder, and oregano. And we're using 1 pound of hamburger meat. So first thing that we want to do is brown our hamburger meat, and then we want to drain the grease out of here. It's time to add in our garlic and onion powder. And this is a tablespoon of each right here. We're going to add in our tomato paste. Now add in your tomato sauce. Add in your tomatoes. It's time to add in the oregano and the basil. At this point, we're going to cover it, turn our heat down to medium-low, and just let it simmer for about an hour, at least an hour. And you're welcome to taste test this at any point, and if you need to add something, do that. I'll tell you one thing that's really wonderful to add is lemon juice from a fresh squeezed lemon. Just squeeze it in there, and it makes everything in there pop. The flavors, it's just beautiful. It makes it alive. And when you're done, this is what it's going to look like right here. It's just a beautiful sauce. And we've got a special guest in the studio today.
How's it going, everybody?
It's Wesley. It's my child that I have to make spaghetti for. You want to try it, man? Let people know what it tastes like?
Yeah, you told me it was kid-friendly spaghetti.
That's what I've always made, except, you know, it doesn't have the onions and all the other veggies in there. Go ahead and give it a shot, man. Let us know.
Where do I go first? Straight down the middle?
Wherever. It's spaghetti. You go to the boot. Is it good?
Tastes like spaghetti, yeah, it's really good.
It tastes like spaghetti.
I like how there's no onions in here.
Nah, there's no veg. I mean, just some pureed tomatoes. So, there it is, y'all. That's proof positive that kids enjoy it. So, you hear that music playing?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's time for us to be going. All right, until next time, y'all. Hopefully we survive the hurricane, and if we do, then we'll be back, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.